20-23 in favor of Vacancy. Founders. Then both teams, paalala ko lang po, halftime, settle po tayo na balance sa jersey and sa kota. Bayad po natin sa referee yan. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggilik nyo. Thank you so much. Start of the second quarter. Shoutout pala kay Titing Manalili. Una si Titing Manalili, oh. Pass to Magday. Pass to Mendoza. Traveling without license. Pass to Angkaya, take it green. Nugget, Vivo Pai. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Rickings. Magday. Pass to Hopelena, 83. Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. Angkaya, pass to Anaya. Anaya. Rickings move. Anaya. Pass to Lopez, short number. Nugget, Viva Pai. Magday. Steal by Bautista. Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. 2 points, Charles Bautista. Magday. Over mo ba yung Magday? Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. Wow, with jersey number 27, Ivan Magday. Second personal foul. 25, Mendoza. Second personal foul. Personal foul of Igis to Ponce. Short number, 2 points, Ponce. Tawid mo. 15 seconds to shoot. Mongosera 83, Nugget, 3-5. 3-5 and Akaya. Foul, jersey number 35, Mendoza. Third personal foul, second team foul of Sabrikins. Lopez. Pass to Akaya. Angkaya din. Intercepted. Stays with.
Kahit shot.
8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation.
Kasi pag out of bounds, kailangan nila.
7 minutes and 33 seconds. Pass to Hoplena. To Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. Ponce, 2 points. Ponce. Wala kasi. Opilena. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Opilena. 2 points. Robbie Opilena. Simon. Pass to Anaya, 83. Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. Bautista, Nugget, Viva Pai. Lopez, 2 points. Lopez. Magday. Magday. 15 seconds to shoot. Magday, super shot. Nugget, Viva Pai. Bautista. Lopez. Ang ganda pa sana naman noon, pero Nogi, di ba ba yung pilig? Steal by Anaya. 2 points. Time out. Breakings. 2 points by JM Anaya.
Gago, mayayari naman tayo. Ang gagi, sinabihan na kasi ako. Sinabihan na ako nung nakaraan. Abot mo si Abot. 9:33.
15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Momosera. Pass to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Magday taking 3. No good. Primo by Ponce. Steal by Magday. Magday pushing through. No good. Primo by Ponce. Anaya. What a pass to Anaya. Ganda pa saan? No good. Primo by Magday. Pass to Momosera. Momosera, no good, Limo by. Out of bounds, ball goes to BTC Hounders. Stand by for Cage 5. Bautista. Pass to Ponce. 13 seconds to shoot. To Bautista. Looper shot is no good. Limo by Bautista again. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Cage 5 na po. Cage 5. Cage 5 po. Cage 5. Start na po. Jose taking the 3. Jeru Momosera. 40-20.